I've got a series of activities that you can do at home. These activities are fine motor, visual motor, and hand strengthening. And these are all prerequisite activities that will help your child meet their occupational therapy goals. So the first one I have is just a piggy bank. This one is a toy piggy bank. And what I have the child do is put the coins in a vertical slot and see if they can do all the coins. And if they can do the coins without any difficulty, then I'll turn it to a horizontal position and see if they can rotate their wrist and orient the coin to the new slot. Once we've done that, they've mastered that skill, we'll go to smaller coins. And this is a great activity because it really focuses on picking up small objects with our Pincer Grasp. And if you sat in an IEP meeting with me, you've probably heard me talk about the importance of Pincer Grasp. A Pincer Grasp consists of our thumb and our index finger picking up small objects. We use the pincer for handwriting, for buttoning and shoe tying, snaps, zippers, all sorts of things. So pick up a coin, put it in the vertical coin slot. This is a good time to talk about the different coins, how much they're worth, see if they can identify them. I will also turn it horizontally again and see if they can orient the coin to the new position. You can then transition the coins to buttoning. So just like you would put a button through a buttoning hole, if that's something that they're struggling with, let's see if we can try a coin. Can you get the coin through the buttonhole and back through? So that's one activity that you can do. Another one is strengthening those Pincer Grasp fingers, and that's by opening and closing clothespins. So we're going to clip it to a string or a paper plate, some sort of card. That's a great strengthening activity. Another activity that I have that's actually really a lot of fun, and kids love it, is popping bubble wrap. You're using those Pincer Grasp, and bubble wrap comes in more than one size. So if they have trouble with the little bubbles, then they can try the big ones. Let's see what else I have. Taking a simple ice tray, Pom Poms or cotton balls, and a pair of tongs. You can also use tweezers to pick up the Pom Poms and put them in the ice tray and have them fill up the ice tray with the Pom Poms. This is really strengthening those fingers. For our older kids, they can do pop beads. So you can pull them apart, and it takes some effort. So we're just making it a little more difficult. And they can make necklaces, bracelets out of those, which is a lot of fun. You can also use balls like a tennis ball or these therapy balls. I got these at Five Below, and they come in 3 different strengths. The yellow one's super squishy, the pink is kind of in the middle, and the blue is more firm. So you're just going to squeeze the ball, have them squeeze it 20 times in each hand. They can also do each finger. And this is great because you can toss this in the car and have that on the go. PlayDoh, that is something that I can't talk about enough. PlayDoh is a lot of fun. It's strengthening. I'm going to clear some of this out of the way so you can get a better view. It's strengthening of our upper extremities. When we roll it out with a rolling pin, we can use stamps to press in a pattern, again, using our hand strength and our upper extremity strength. We can use cookie cutters to cut out different shapes. We can even practice cutting with a fork and a knife. And we can practice our scissor skills. So there's so much you can do with Play-Doh. Also, I'm going to put stuff back in here. Try to keep organized. If you have this available, again, you can buy this on Amazon. This is called Thayer Putty. It's a little stronger than Play-Doh. One thing that I like to do is hide coins or beads in it for the kids to locate, and I tell them I wad it all up. So here, let me show you. For instance, I'll put some coins in. I'm gonna wad it up, and then I'll tell the kids to find my treasures. So they have to pinch and pull it apart and really manipulate the Thayer Putty to find the coins. So that's a great activity. Something as simple as opening and closing lids to markers or Tupperware containers is great strengthening and fine motor skills as well. And then if you're looking for a game, something that's a lot of fun is a game called Spot It. You can play it in a variety of different ways, and it's a visual attention task where you have a stack of cards in the middle. This would be my card, this would be the child's, and what you're looking for is a picture that matches the center card. So for instance, let's see if we can find a match. Here's a cat and a cat, so I would get that top card. Then you would match the new card. There are other ways to play it, but this is something that the kids love to do as well. So I know that's a lot of different activities, but I'm really hoping that you can incorporate some of these at home, and this will help your child succeed in their occupational therapy goals.